Hello, friends. It's Chernobyl World. It's Chernobyl Wiki Stalker. It's people who illegally discovered Chernobyl zone, and today we're going to abandoned secret Jupiter plant. Jupiter plant is located in abandoned city Pripyat, and why it's interesting for me because Jupiter is very big, and you can discover this place many months, many buildings, big buildings, small buildings. It's very huge area of Jupiter plant, and after the accident about 10 years it's still working, but of course it wasn't Jupiter plant where Soviet people made some secret things. It was a special organization who made cleanup operation in the zone after the accident, of course, but many things you can found inside. It's interesting place, and if you like Stalker game, maybe you remember this location from Stalker Call of Pripyat. I remember, it's very old games, but I remember. And on the area of Jupiter plant you can found and legendary liquidators machine, for example this Kamatsu. And now we will check level of radiation close to this machine robot. I don't know how correct it's called, but you can see level of radiation in few times more normal. But one of them, of this machine, works close to nuclear plant. Some of liquidators told maybe in time of clean up operation were two same machines, maybe, I don't know, but in the area of Jupiter plant we can find many interesting machines, robots from the cleanup operation. And this box, machine box on the area, maybe you remember from Stalker game. Inside of this box was light in the game, but in real only some tourist graffiti. And now we're going inside to big building. It's one of the biggest part of Jupiter plant, and of course inside too many things. And in day of our visiting was rain, and you can see how it look abandoned, creepy, mystical and secret Jupiter plant in Chernobyl with rain and river inside. And it's very interesting and very beautiful, like urbex, and you can hear how it when you hear rain inside of abandoned plant. Maybe for some people it's not comfortable, but for me it's one of the best place. Sometimes people ask me why it's not normal for girl, for people discover Chernobyl zone, but I was born in Ukraine in time of destroyed Soviet Union, and many same places around me was in my childhood, and that's why I like this place. It's like my childhood. Of course I don't live in bad abandoned places in my childhood, but in some parts of my native city we could play in same places, maybe sometimes. Very big place, and in one of the room I found many like a new look like new things. And you know, I like make renovation in Chernobyl, and I think maybe we can use some of them, but of course it's very dangerous because Pripyat is not very small, and if you want something do, for example renovation, it's very difficult because you have take it and you have transformation or without car. Sorry for my Ukrainian English. Sometimes I forget some word. I don't work about 5 years with tourists from another countries, and not many people now visit Ukraine because the war, and that's why I'm forget English. But I try don't forget it, because in future I hope after the war maybe you come back to Ukraine, and I maybe will make some tours for people if some will want to do it. In Jupiter plant you can find many cabinets like offices where many documents, but unfortunately it's documents after the accident was made after. It's not information about secrets of Jupiter plant. And view from the windows, from the steps upstairs of Jupiter plant, it's beautiful. It's video made before the war. It's 2021. It's before the war. And in nowadays, nothing was changed in this place. All stay same in this video, absolutely. It's sign on the outskirts of Pripyat city. Friends, thank you for your watching, thank you for your kind, thank you my sponsors and Patreons. If you like to see more videos, I will make for you my Ukrainian English translation. Please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye my dear.